Oh, what was that?
I don't know.
I'll get it.
Well, let's do this right now.
Oh, no, wait. It was your phone.
Nope.
Lay it down. Lay it down.
Was it your phone?
No, I think it was Papa's phone. He's looking at something. Okay. What one is this?
What did you put any numbers?
No, I didn't do any while you were gone. What letter is that?
A.
Okay.
This one.
What is that?
Woman.
A woman? And what? Do you know what that letter is? That's a hard one. That's a Q.
More.
Whoa.
I'll get it.
Okay, okay. How about I help you?
No, I got it.
You got it. Okay. Okay. Okay, what ones do you have? The funny guy. What's his name? He's a joker. This guy.
This guy?
Yeah. And who else do you have? You have a man. And he goes where? What's his name? King. He's a king. Who's this?
7. Over here, by
Okay, what one's this?
A.
An A. Okay, good. What's that? Another K. Good job.
4. Down there.
Okay. What's this one?
6.
Where's the sixes go?
Here.
Right up there. Okay. And what else?
4. Another 4.
Another 4. Okay. What one is this?
5.
Where's the 5s? You see them?
There.
Right up there.
A
Okay.
6. A 6 and a 9.
Is it a 9 or a 6?
A 6 and a 9.
Well, if I look at it again, what is it?
A 6.
No, these are 6s. So what's this one?
A 9.
Where's it go? Oh, right there. What's this? That's the last one. What is it?
A 9.
Hey!
I did it!